Hi friends, today we are discussing about Andhra Pradesh State Lok Sabha election result 2019. In this state mainly battle between YSR Congress Party and Telugu Desam Party. AP people gave a landslide victory to YSR Congress Party with 22 seats out of 25 Lok Sabha seats. While Telugu Desam Party got 3 seats out of 25 Lok Sabha seat. Next we are discussing about Arku Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle YSRC party candidate Goddeti Madhavi got 5,62,190 votes while TDP party candidate Kishore Chandra got 3,38,101 votes. Here YSRC party candidate Goddeti Madhav defeated TDP party candidate Kishore Chandra with 2,24,089 majority votes. YSRC party won Arku Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously YSRC party won Arku Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party holds seat when compare 2014 Lok Sabha election. Next we are discussing about Vizianagaram Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle YSRC party candidate B. Chandrasekhar got 5,78,418 votes while TDP party candidate Ashok Gajpati Raju got 5,30,382 votes. Here YSRC party candidate B. Chandrasekhar defeated TDP party candidate Ashok Gajpati Raju with 48,036 majority votes. YSRC party won Vizianagaram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Vizianagaram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat when compared with 2014 Lok Sabha election. Next we are discussing about Visakhapatnam Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle YSRC party candidate MVV Satyanarayana got 4,36,906 votes while TDP party candidate Muthukumalli Bharat got 4,32,492 votes. Here YSRC party candidate MVV Satyanarayana defeated TDP party candidate Muthukumalli Bharat with 4,414 majority votes. YSRC party won Visakhapatnam Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Visakhapatnam Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat when compared with 2014 Lok Sabha election. Next we are discussing about Ankappally Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle YSRC party candidate B. Venkata Satyavati got 5,86,226 votes while TDP party candidate Adri Anand got 4,97,034 votes. Here YSRC party candidate B. Venkata Satyavati defeated TDP party candidate Adri Anand with 89,192 majority votes. YSRC party won Ankappally Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Ankappally Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat when compared with 2014 Lok Sabha election. we are discussing about Kakinada Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle, YSRC party candidate Vanga Geeta got 5,37,630 votes, while TDP party candidate Chalamaseti Sunil got 5,11,892 votes. Here YSRC party candidate Vanga Geeta defeated TDP party candidate Chalamaseti Sunil with 25,738 majority votes. YSRC party won Anakapalli Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Anakapalli Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat. Next we are discussing about Amlapuram Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle, YSRC party candidate Chinta Anuradha got 4,85,313 votes, while TDP party candidate Ghanti Harish got 4,45,347 votes. Here YSRC party candidate Chinta Anuradha defeated TDP party candidate Ghanti Harish got 39,966 majority votes. YSRC party won Amlapuram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Amlapuram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat. Next we are discussing about Rajahmundry Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle, YSRC party candidate Margani Bharat got 5,82,024 votes, while TDP party candidate Magunta Rupa got 4,60,390 votes. Here YSRC party candidate Margani Bharat defeated TDP party candidate Magunta Rupa with 1,21,634 majority votes. YSRC party won Rajahmundry Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Rajahmundry Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election. YSRC party gained seat. Next we are discussing about Narsapuram Lok Sabha constituency. In this battle, YSRC party candidate Raghu Rama Krishna Raju 4,47,594 votes, while TDP party candidate VV Shiva Rama Raju got 4,15,685 votes. Here YSRC party candidate Raghu Rama Krishna Raju defeated TDP party candidate VV Shiva Rama Raju with 31,909 majority votes. YSRC party won Narsapuram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2019 election. Previously TDP party won Narsapuram Lok Sabha constituency seat in 2014 election.